TI's New Employee Network is a community of early career employees that work together to broaden their network and get to know TI.
And we're focused on helping new employees get connected, develop their career, and make an impact in the community.
The New Employee Network can also provide an opportunity for new employees to have a voice to TI senior leadership.
It's all about connections.
Personally, I joined the New Employee Network because in college I was very involved in different activities and organizations, and I wanted to do the same thing here at Texas Instruments. And I would have not met John if we didn't join the New Employee Network, and he's become a close friend. And together we've been doing different opportunities and working amongst our peers to give back to our community.
And for me, I joined a business group within TI that at the time didn't have a lot of new college graduates. And so I wanted to go out, make connections with other new employees. And so I joined the New Employee Network and have been involved ever since.